I seek refuge in Allah from Satan, the expelled from His mercy, by the sun and its brightness, and by the moon when it follows it, and by the day when it displays it, and by the night when it conceals it, and by the sky and He who constructed it, and by the earth and He who spread it, and by the soul and He who proportioned it, and inspired it with discernment of its wickedness and its righteousness. He has succeeded who purifies it, and he has failed who instills it with corruption. Thamud denied their prophet by reason of their transgression, when the most wretched of them was sent forth. And the Messenger of Allah said to them, "Do not harm the she-camel of Allah, or prevent her from her drink." But they denied him and hamstrung her. So their Lord brought down upon them destruction for their sin, and made it equal upon all of them. And He does not fear the consequence thereof.